like, hey, what's up? Hello. So, random, but I'm looking at cars today. Why? Just because I want to, and I've have some real reasons behind it, but I don't want to share it right now. But anyways, I really want to see the new Toyota. Is the newest Toyota Sequoia. I just really want to look at it. I seen it at my job. One of the parents had it, and I'm like, yo, this thing look fire. So I wanted to see it in person. Just because, not that I want it, but I thought it was really cute. So let's go see it. We are at Toyota in Lake Park. Let me see where my friend is. I think it's that one over there. Hey, Bouquet. How are you?
I'm like, it's in my dress.
No, you're good. How's it going?
I'm good.
You smell good. What is that?
It's the white one. God. It's the lady. But it's from Amazon. One of the lady on it. The gold.
Oh, that's is it her confession?
I think so.
Yeah. I know what you mean. I never got it, but I know what it looked like.
It lasts awesome.
Hello, good morning.
I'm good. How are you holding up?
All right, you guys shopping?
Yeah.
I'm window shopping. I want to look at the Sequoia.
When I grow up one day, I might be able to go look at it.
I just want to look now.
Okay. We got one up here, but keep in mind that one's like top of the hill. CRD Pro.
Is it inside or outside?
That one right there? Let's see what it's talking about. Well, that thing is a big body. Was that a Sequoia?
Grand Highlander is actually larger on the inside. It holds more people. It holds more stuff.
This thing is so. I ain't towing nothing.
Is the alarm on? Because I don't want to like.
You can open the door. It's
Okay.
Oh, this is a big car. You have another row in the back?
Yeah.
This thing is so big. It's like a camping car.
I think it's just go in the back. This is long.
This is huge.
And it has the privacy.
The thing on the window? Period. That's cool. This thing $82,000. I could get a Tesla for this. It's cute though. But yeah, see when the this is the thing I was talking about that comes out.
I think that's already there though.
No, which one? You know what I'm thinking about? It was the Cadillac one. Yeah, that one. When it
This
pop
one's just
out.
automatically there.
It's such a big car. Look how tall it is. It's like so tall. This is such a manly car. I like these when they have these things that give you options. Really? Oh wow. It's nice. It's really big. Don't they have electric vehicles now in Toyota? That's crazy. Because I see a charging thing right there. I wonder how it really works. Like, do it actually keep good charge? I think it's big.
This black one that I've seen that was like different.
There's a Prius.
These cameras are nice too.
Yeah, they are.
But I don't know, leather for Florida, it'd be hot though.
I know. I don't want a leather seat anymore. The leather I have,
You be sweating?
when I have to start the car and wait until it cool down because I be wearing shorts to work.
They be burning.
This one done got sold.
Everyone getting these now. It's really nice. My friend has one.
40K. Oh, that's cute. Look at the screen.
It's really nice. Period. I don't know if I like red though.
I don't like red. It gives too much like sporty vibes, but
It's nice.
what about this Tesla? Tesla for sale?
Right.
Let me find out. I know. Prius? Yeah, that looked like an electric. For vehicles in this. It's a Prius. Cute, small, compact, do what it needs to do. Okay. That's for when you was fresh in high school. That's giving high school first car. See, this more like it. It's red and the inside is black.
Yes, I just
I don't really. Yeah, the white. See, it look good, but yeah, but imagine you start your period or something. Girl, your pants dirty or something. You got makeup on your hands. Which one?
The white one all the way down there. Is it the same one?
That's a different car. What is that? Ah! Girl, you know I used to love that Q8. I still like it, but it's just not big enough. This is not 20K. That's it.
Yeah. It might be the year though.
Yeah, it's 2018, but it looks still really, really good for 2018. Look at it. It looks like it's 20K is not bad. My Hyundai was more than that when I first got it. This is the Land Cruiser.
Yeah, one row.
Not
I
bad.
just like how it's so spacious and big. And then they have like the waterproof carpet.
Mm-hmm.
And storage unit come through.
And they cleaned up.
It's cute. It's nice. It's giving me Humber vibes.
Yeah, I like that it's up off the ground. Can't nobody run you off the road. Nobody running me off the road.
I've been keeping my eye on this one.
That's cute. That's the Land Cruiser.
64?
I like it. I like the style of it.
Yeah. That's what caught my eyes, but it's like in all black when I saw it. Black and black.
Oh yeah, that would be even cuter. I like that color brown though too. It's like
It's
not
soft,
too
yeah.
dark, but it's not like tan. Because I feel like the tan ones, they still be looking like old people
Right.
color type. Okay, I see what y'all working with. I'm at Tesla. I know I play a lot about like if I would get one, it would have to be the Model X, which is really expensive. But I really want to go up here and see. I'm just kind of like in a mode of like, I feel a new car coming. My car is completely paid off. I've had it paid off for over a year now. I love having a paid off car. I don't want to go back to paying for a car monthly, but I have been feeling like I am going to be getting a new car soon. So that's the whole purpose. I wouldn't mind getting a Tesla because, I mean, obviously not paying for gas, and I don't know if I will put it out by now, by the time you guys see this vlog, but I did buy a house, so I'll be able to charge it at home. That's the reason I'm even like, you know what, let me actually go look, because I do have a home now in a garage. So, because I have a house and a garage, I'm like, you know what, let me check and see what the prices we'll be looking at. I would definitely get a Model Y, which is the big body, not the one that goes up like the butterfly Zoes. The butterfly door ones will have to wait later on in life if I ever got that money flow. All right, let's hurry up and go in. My camera doesn't have a lot of battery nor memory, so I need to hurry up. Hello. How are you? Good. I am kind of in the market for the Model Y. I want to really see if I can see myself trading or getting one. Alright, so I'm currently in the Model Y right now. This is a like space gray situation. I like that it has the lights on the side. It's cute. I love the roof. I love the black seats. I already know what it's like. My sister has this car, so I don't really need to like do too much of a deep dive. We're in the vehicle, and he activated self-driving, you guys. So it is about to take me to a neighborhood, and then once it reaches that destination, and then I could drive by myself for 20 minutes. So it's waiting for this car to move. That's the model. That's the Model X right there that goes up. Why do I feel like I'm about to get it? This Quicksilver color is so nice. I really, really like that color. I'm in a red one right now with white interior. I don't want white interior. White interior is nice on camera. Like, it looks like super bright, but I feel like I would be really, really anal about the cleanliness of it. That's the only thing I kind of don't like. All right, the car's about to start driving. The car's driving, y'all. Look at the wheel. My hands are right here. Okay, guys. The car's driving! Y'all, how crazy is this? This thing is driving me. Girl, what is you doing? I don't know, but look, it's driving me, y'all. Going over the speed bump. I'm test driving
Now
it.
turn left onto Breezy Lane.
Alright, so it's driving me to a neighborhood, and once it takes me there, then I'm able to take over. So it is completely driving me. Wow. I'm shook, y'all. Speed bump. I just be doing stuff, y'all. Completely, and you see my other hand, and I'm holding the phone with the other one. Completely driving me. And there's nobody else hurt. Not on the brake nor the gas. It's doing this thing. Ariel, are you about to buy a Tesla, girl? Like, what is you doing? I can't with myself right now. If I wanted to just stop the auto driving, I could just press the
In
brakes.
500 feet, turn right onto Whitehall Lane.
This is kind of scary. I don't think I like to be self-driven. I like to be drove automatic. I want to drive myself.
Now turn right onto Whitehall Lane.
All right, y'all. That thing did not stop at that stop sign.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Barbary Lane.
You guys, I can't believe it.
Now turn left onto Barbary Lane.
All right, so
Now your destination is on the left.
I made it to the random destination. Now I shall drive myself out of here. How crazy is that? All right, so let me get out of here because I don't know where I'm at. I don't know who neighborhood I'm in. I don't know none of that, so. All right, so I just go down to reverse. When I tell you I'm just doing stuff. First Toyota, now we in Tesla. All right, y'all. Where am I gonna go? I really want to go to Chick-fil-A and get some breakfast. Oh, breakfast is over. Breakfast just ended. All right, whatever. Let me call my friend.